Hello everyone, welcome to Ieee Xpert. Today we are going to see one of the interesting project for current society. The project named as food estimation as well as food calorie prediction. That is the project which you are going to discuss today. From the name itself, you come to know about the project. This project, it can automatically predict the food. Okay, it can automatically detect the food. If you are having some plate with the number of food means, if you are uploading the image to our project means, it will automatically calculate how much number of idlis you are having, what's the calorie range of idli, additionally you are having chutney or not, it will predict everything perfectly. Okay, so this is the project which you are going to discuss today. And one more thing, in this project we are not only detecting the food as well as nutrition value. This project can able to act as a coach for you, personalized coach. What's the meaning of personalized coach means? This project will track your food, this project will suggest your food, this project will maintain your health, it will predict everything. That is the main advantage of this project. Okay, this project even can recommend the diet chart for you. Morning you have to take this dish with this much of nutrition information, evening you have to take this dish, this is the nutrition information for that dish. It can personalize everything based on your nutrition goal. You have to enter your height, weight as well as age. That's enough. It will perform everything based on your activities. Okay, this project uses machine learning as well as deep learning, both the things. Okay, for diet recommendation, diet chart planning as well as progressive goal tracking. For the purpose we are using machine learning. For food recognition, calorie estimation, prediction, everything we are using deep learning. For machine learning we are using decision tree algorithm. For deep learning we are using YOLO version 8 algorithm. Both the things we are using for this project. That is the main advantage. Please connect with this video. Video explain everything, more details about this project. Thank you. Welcome to the project explanation. So this is the project base paper. Let me explain the project base paper first. So this is our project base paper. This base paper published on Ieee 2024. The base paper titled as Food Recognition System and Nutrition Tracking using Convolutional Neural Network. So this is the project title they have published. In this base paper, they have used convolutional neural network as their algorithm. So they have used convolutional neural network for classification purpose as well as they applied VGG30 for feature extraction. They combiningly used both the algorithm to predict the to recognize the food as well as to calculate the calorie estimation. That's what they have implemented. The major drawback of this project was they have produced 0.8, that means 80% accuracy, so which is very low to the current standard. The accuracy is very low when compared to our proposed system. This is the model they have used. Okay, let me explain their model. They have taken input data, then applied some pre-processing. For feature extraction they are applied VGG13 as well as for training purpose they are applied convolutional neural network. Finally they are calculating the accuracy and precision recall value. Then finally they are moving to the prediction process. In the prediction process they are applying the testing data. For the testing data also they are applying same pre-processing, feature extraction, then compare the extracted feature to the pre-trained features, that means already trained data. The result will be producing here. The major drawback was, so out of 100 times it will predict 80 times only correct, 20 times it making error. So this is the major drawback of the existing system. But in our proposed system we are producing higher accuracy when compared to our existing system. In our proposed system we are going to produce 98% accuracy. So this is our project main advantage. They have used CNN algorithm. Instead of that we are going to use YOLO V8. Okay, YOLO V8 version 8 algorithm we are going to use. As well as in the existing base paper they have not they didn't recommend any diet recommendation, they didn't propose any diet recommendation system. But in our project we are going to propose diet recommendation system, as well as we are going to track your diet also. Daily you can upload your diet data, daily you can upload your food data. It can maintain your database. Based on that it will track all your health data. So that is the major advantage here. Okay, so we are going to propose diet recommendation as well as diet tracking with higher accuracy when compared to the existing system. This is what we are going to do. Okay, let me explain the project PPT. So this is the project PPT. We are named this project as a Nutri-Track. So fancy name as a Nutri-Track, Smart Food Recognition and Personalized Diet Planner. So this is our project title. Okay. In the abstract itself, we have mentioned that so increasing need for health awareness and lifestyle management will produce huge demand for the object recognition in food field. Okay, food quality field. So that's what we are going to do in this project. Food recognition with calorie measurement as well as personalized diet recommendation with tracking system. That's what we are going to do. Okay, this is a completely AI based project. Here we are going to use machine learning as well as deep learning model to predict as well as the to recommend the diet as well as to predict to recognize your food, to calculate your calorie estimation. That's what we are going to do. So as we mentioned earlier, this project combines deep learning process as well as machine learning process. It will use both the process. Okay. First of all, we come to know that what's the meaning of food recognition. Food recognition is the AI powered system that used to identify different type of food stored in a different type of food having in your dinner as well as your breakfast. So it have to predict, it have to recommend the food images, okay, automatically. Okay, not only going to predict single food from the overall images. In this project, our proposed system can able to predict multiple food from the single image. That's what the major advantage when compared to the existing system. If you are uploading dosa with chutney, means it will predict dosa as well as chutney, both the things. It will calculate the calorie based on that. It's not only going to predict only dosa. It will calculate both the things. It will predict both the things from the single image, which is hugely advantage when compared to the existing system. As we mentioned earlier, the current system produces only 80% accuracy. That is very low compared to the current standard. As well as this existing system taking too much of time to calculate the calories as well as the food, as well as to recognize the food. As well as the existing system is currently manual system. It's not an automatic system. It can't find out the serving size. Serving size means if you are taking 2 idli, means it will predict idli only. But in our system, we are going to predict 2 idli. So that means that much of calorie you are going to intake. It will predict perfectly. But existing system won't predict multiple food. The major disadvantage of existing system was limited accuracy. That means 80% accuracy. Barcode based limitation. Some existing system based paper, they are using barcode to recognize the food, but our project is a deep learning based project. You don't need any barcode at all. So lack of personalized diet recommendations. The existing system didn't have any personalized diet recommendation, but our project will propose the diet recommendation. If you are entering your height, weight as well as your age, means it will calculate the personalized diet chapter, the personalized diet plan for you. Okay, inconsistent protein portion size estimation. So as I mentioned earlier, if you are uploading a plate of 4 idli, means the existing system will predict only idli. But what our project proposed system will do means it will predict as a 4 idli. That means you are intaking this much of calorie. So it will calculate the portion. That is the major advantage. Okay. So this is our comparison as we mentioned earlier. So directly moving for the proposed system. So this is our proposed system. In our proposed system, we are going to use YOLO version 8 algorithm. YOLO means you only look once. That means it will train that much faster. Okay. So the YOLO algorithm having very much speed as well as higher accuracy when compared to the current algorithm. That is the major advantage here. Also, our project will first predict the personalized diet recommendation. Also, it will track your diet day by day. It will track your diet. It will suggest the food as per that. Okay. That also huge advantage. Okay. So this is our proposed system. Here, as we mentioned earlier, it having portion estimation also. Portion estimation means it will calculate the number of food you are taking. It will predict multiple objects present in the single plate, as well as it will calculate the calories based on that. That is the major advantage. Okay. So you can get personalized diet recommendation, progressive tracking, as well as goal setting. So these are the individual features for the proposed system: calorie as well as nutritional estimation, then food recognition. There are 4 parts in our project: real-time food recognition with YOLO V8, calorie and nutritional estimation, then moving for the personalized diet recommendation, finally progress tracking as well as goal setting. These 4 parts are having in our project. Okay. So this is our objective of the project, our architecture of the project. You have to register and set up your profile. Then you have to upload your food image. It will pre-process the image which you uploaded. Then going for the image recognition. Using YOLO V8, it will recognize the image Based on that recognition, it will classify the nutritional information you are taking. Then moving for the health data integration. Based on that, it will form the diet chart for you. It will suggest you this much of protein you have to take, this much of carbs you have to take, this much of fiber you have to take, this much of overall calories you have to take. Then diet and progressive tracking. In that, you have to manually input your breakfast data, your lunch data, your dinner data. So from the dishes you are selecting, it will calculate the amount of intake you are taken per day. For example, you are taken 400 calories as a breakfast, you have taken 600 calories as a lunch, you are taken 900 calories as a dinner. So overall your goal will be this much. You are taking this much of protein, carbs as well as fiber. Like that it will track. Then real-time goal adjustment. Real-time goal adjustment means it will adjust the recommended chart based on your tracking. If you are entering your weight after 1 week, you are entering your weight as 88 kilo. In next 1 month, you are entering your weight as 82 kilo. Means based on that 82 kilo, it will adjust the calorie estimation automatically. So you no need to do anything. Automatically it will adjust. Also, one more interesting feature in this project was it will suggest the dishes also. You can consider this item as a breakfast. You can consider this as an item as a lunch. You can take this item as a dinner. Like that it will suggest. Okay, based on your interest. I'm interested in chicken, I'm interested in egg. Like that means it will suggest the dishes based on your interest, which is very much advantage. Okay, so this is the sequence diagram of the project. Activity diagram is given, class diagram is given, then use case diagram also given. Okay, so you can see all these things are given for this project. Okay, modules: image acquisition module, food recognition and detection module, calorie measurement module, personalized diet recommendation module. These are the 4 major modules involved in our project. Okay, so to implement this project, you need minimum i3 processor to run the project. Then you need 20 GB space to run the project. Okay, 15.6 display size usual. Minimum RAM requirement will be 4 GB. So this project we need Windows 10 Pro, as well as this project will run on Mac OS also. Okay, this project run on Mac OS also. You can consider both the things. The language will be based on Python, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. We have used these languages for the implementation. For website building, we have used Flask framework. Okay, this is the requirement. Major advantage was YOLO is designed for the real-time object detection, which is very much suitable for the food recognition. It can instantaneously detect the food items. Okay, also YOLO can capable of detecting multiple objects on a single image. So that means you can detect dosa, chutney, vada separately. You don't need to upload 3 different images. From the single image itself, it can detect multiple objects, 4 idli, 2 dosa. Like that it will detect. So which is very much convenient. As well as YOLO can able to run on the lower system all itself. So minimum 4 GB is enough to run this project. You don't need a high-end graphics processor at all. Okay, so this is the conclusion of the project. In the conclusion, we have mentioned that food recognition with calorie measurement and personalized diet recommendation system. This is a completely AI-driven approach. We have used real-time YOLO algorithm for implementation. Also, based on the nutritional goal, it will suggest the diet recommendation as well as diet tracking also, which is very much important for the current standard. So these are the reference for this project. So this is the completely innovative project. Let connect with this video. Directly we are moving for the demo of the project. So we can run the project now. So this is the project code folder. Okay, so this is the project code folder. So you can find the YOLO algorithm for images training, as well as the decision tree model for diet recommendation system. Okay, these 2 algorithms combined. So this is the template folder which contains the project HTML pages for the website. Then test images, I have stored some test images over here. Then this is our main code app.py. Okay, so first of all I can show the YOLO algorithm result here. So you can check the YOLO algorithm result here. This is the training code. You can check the result accuracy here. So this project produces accuracy of 99%. As we mentioned earlier, this project produces accuracy of 99%. Okay, you can check the accuracy here. Okay, so this is the part. You can say the accuracy. Top accuracy will be 99.7. So this is the overall accuracy, 99.7. Okay, so this is our result for the training code. Now I can run the overall web application. To run the web application, you should copy the location. This is the project location. Copy that. So open Anaconda Navigator. Click the project. Open terminal. CD space paste to the project location. Just type enter. Python space app.py. That is the command used to run the project. Just enter. So don't forget to enter CD space project location. Okay. So many people while running forgetting the CD. Okay. So you should type CD. That means change directory. That is the meaning of that. So the project is running now. Just copy the localhost address. You can paste it on any browser here. Just I'm pasting here. Just enter. So this is our project home page. So you can check. This is the AI model used for Indian food. Quantity estimation is there, then diet recommendation is there. So you can upload Indian food and check. There is a machine learning model is there. Quantity estimation, it can estimate how much number of idli, how much number of dosa is there. It can predict the overall quantity also. Okay. So the accuracy will be around 97 to 99% accuracy. So this is the overall images we have taken. Okay. Now I'm going for the register page. Go for the register. Now I'm going to register my name as a Ramesh, email as a ramesh@gmail.com. My password will be 123. So this is my login. So once I made the login means I have to enter my details. So my age will be 33. My weight will be 200 lbs. My height will be 5.10 inches. Okay, 5.10 inches. So myself male. I am vegan or non-vegetarian. So I'm not a vegan. Allergy. Do you have any allergic, lactose allergic, gluten allergic, or egg allergic like that? So I didn't have any allergic. So activity level. So light, activate, moderate, very active, extra active. So I'm just light active person. Just click next. That's it. Now you have registered. Okay, now you can log in. So myself, while login, I have to give my details. Login. So ramesh@gmail.com. Password will be 123. Password. That's it. Once you log in means. So actually, I have entered my previous weight as a 200. Now today my weight is a 199 lbs. Just submitting this. Once submitted means go to the profile. In the profile you can check the things. So your name is Ramesh, current weight is 199 lbs. So height will be 5.10 inches, then age will be 33, your body fat percentage will be 25%. Okay, perfectly it will calculate. Your current status will be you are a overweight person, so you are a not vegetarian, none allergic for the none of the things. Then your calorie goal, your daily maintenance calorie will be 254. You should take this much of protein per day, then this much of carbohydrate per day. So this is your fat percentage. It will work perfectly. Okay, you don't need to take anything, it will work perfectly. So now what I'm going to do means I'm going to check the food prediction. For that, go to the prediction. In the prediction button you can upload the food image and you can check the result. Just choose image. Inside the choose image you can go to the I'm just going to the project folder for some testing images. So I'm just checking with some test images here. So these are the overall food we have taken for the consideration while training. Choose image, upload and process. Click this. So once it's processed means you can check gulab jamun. There is a 9 number of gulab jamun is there. See the result. There is a 9 number of gulab jamun is there. Each 145 calories. The overall calories you are taking was 1305 calories. So you are taking around 1305 calories. It will calculate automatically with include of quantity estimation. That's what important here. Okay. So you can check various food here. So the result is correct. Then upload and process. Go for the another food. Choose file. Inside that I'm going to select one more thing here. So now I am going to take this one, check with this. Okay, choose file, upload and process. So check the results now. So the prediction will be lessee. Each lessee taking 183 calories. 2 into 183 equal to 366 calories. You are taking 366 calories. Okay. So now I'm going for the another image. Let me check whether it is working or not. Let me check this one. So check this one. Upload and process. So the result will be Gulfi. So each they are taking 136 calories. 3 into 136, 418 calories. So it will predict multiple object detection also. I will show the results for you. Okay, multiple object detection results I will show you. Okay, upload and process. Go to choose file. So the multiple process I am showing for you. Okay, this one. Let me check this. Go to the results. See this. So it predicting idli as well dosa. So you are taking 2 dosa into 106, around 212 calories. 6 idlis into 40, 240 calories. So overall calories count will be 452. Perfectly working. That is the advantage. It will predict multiple objects in a single file. Okay, and we can check one more food for this. Choose file. Let me check any other thing. Let me check this one. Okay, this one. Upload and process. So aloo gopi, the calories count will be 118 or 108. So I can check one more thing. Let me check with this one. Let me check any other thing. This one. Check upload and process. So you can see 3 idlis, 120 calories, coconut chutney, 150 calories. So overall 225 calories. It's perfectly working. Okay, it's a very good project, perfectly working. So now I'm going to track my calories. So I'm just typing ramesh@gmail.com. My password will be 123. Just click next. So my current weight will be, now I'm typing 198. So now go to profile. My today weight 198. So my calorie count. Now what I'm going to do means I'm going to give recommendation. Recommend today food menu for me. Okay, just click this. So having breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner type. I need tomato, spinach, cucumber, broccoli in my favorite vegetarian. In my favorite meal for today, I need salmon, egg, chicken. So in my favorite food category, I'm going to take banana, mango, apple, which was I'm having. So favorite carb section, I'm selecting rice and bread. That's enough. Then oats. So it should select my favorite things for today. Based on that, it will suggest breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner within my nutrition count. Okay, just click next. See the recommendation. Okay, perfect recommendation. So your breakfast should be chicken stir fried with spinach and potato. The overall calories will be 766 calories. So what is the nutritional fact? Then your lunch will be chicken stir fried with spinach and potato. So what is the nutrition fact? Then your snack, what's your snack? You should take snack. Then what's your dinner value? Perfectly working. Now what I'm going to do means I'm deselecting something here. So instead of this, I have to select some other things. Chicken, I'm selecting salmon. So banana, removing banana. So instead of rice, I'm selecting noodles. Now select the results. Okay. Now selecting the results. So my breakfast will be French toast. Okay. Then my lunch will be salmon stir fried broccoli with cabbage. Then my snack will be stir fried rice with tomatoes and peas. My dinner will be stir fried rice with mushroom and cabbages. Okay, these are the nutritional facts. It's perfectly working. Okay, based on your selection, it's perfectly working. Now what I'm going to do means I'm going to track my progress. Just click track. Here I'm going to add my breakfast. In my breakfast I'm going to select Italy. So what's the portion size? I'm going to select 4 idlis. Okay, 4 medium size idlis I have taken. Just click add. So 4 idlis. So you are taken around 232 calories. What's how much number of protein you are taken? How much number of fat? How much number of carbs is taken? That's it. Go to the back. So you can see breakfast has been added. The graphs also generated. How much calories you are taken, protein consumed, carbs consumed, fat consumed. Now I can add lunch. Lunch I can add fried rice. I can add chicken fried rice, portion size 1, medium size plate. Just click add. So you can see chicken fried rice 1 cup, how much number of calories, proteins, carbs and everything. Just go to back. So lunch have been added. Okay, that's it. So my snack will be apple. I have taken apple, portion size 1. So I have taken large size apple. Click add. So apple, nutrition also taken. Okay, here we are using API, Nutri-Track API we are using. It's who are purchasing the projects, the API data also can be provided. Okay, now go to back. So I have to add my dinner. In dinner I have to add rice. Rice size will be 1, quantity will be 1 cup large. So this is my rice calories. Go to now. So I added chicken curry, portion size 1. So it's 1 cup add. So chicken curry rice also added. Now go to back. So now I have added overall things. Today I have taken 1084 calories. So this is number of protein I have taken 58 grams. My carbs count will be 54 grams. My fat will be 25 grams. Perfectly it will track. Now go to the progress. In progress you can check the right graphs. Okay. So currently you are in 198. So if your weekly progress. Okay. Perfectly working. Okay. Now what I am going to do means I am going to do here. I am going to enter my weight as a 160 example. Just click submit. Now go to profile. You can see the data have been updating. Depends upon the date as well as here it will update everything. Okay. So this is the nutritional tracking. Also you can predict the food values, everything. Okay. This is the perfect working of the project. Okay. This project, please contact ieexpert.com. We do provide for this project for best price. Okay. Here we have displayed various projects for readily available section, machine learning section and everything. You can check our project list for more innovative ideas. Okay. Thank you.